Welcome to our tutorial on PostgreSQL's JSON and JSONB data types. First, we'll dive into what these data types are and why you might want to use them. Next, I'll explain the key differences between JSON and JSONB, showing you how they handle data differently. Then, we'll explore working with JSON data in PostgreSQL, how to insert, retrieve, and manipulate it. We'll also cover the benefits of using JSONB for more efficient storage and indexing. Moving on, you'll learn powerful techniques for querying both JSON and JSONB data. Finally, we'll wrap up with a summary and open the floor for any questions you might have. Let's get started. Welcome to our introduction to PostgreSQL's JSON and JSONB data types. Let's break it down. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, a widely used format for storing semi-structured or unstructured data. Think of it as a flexible way to hold information that might not fit neatly into traditional tables. JSONB is essentially the binary version of JSON, which means it's more efficient in storage and querying, like having a supercharged version of your favorite car. Both JSON and JSONB support nested structures like a tree with branches, where you can have objects inside arrays or vice versa. Perfect for apps that need to handle dynamic data without strict schema constraints. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an important concept in data storage: the differences between JSON and JSONB. Let's break it down. JSON stores your data as text. Think of it like a simple, human-readable file. But JSONB takes things a step further by optimizing for both speed and space. This means that when you work with large datasets, JSONB can significantly improve query performance because it indexes and compresses the data more efficiently. For instance, imagine storing user profiles. JSON might be just fine, but if you have thousands or even millions of these profiles, JSONB would be much faster to search through. Additionally, while both support updates, JSONB allows for partial updates with operators like dash, which can make your queries more precise and efficient. So, when choosing between the two, consider whether speed and storage are critical factors in your application. Welcome to our tutorial on creating tables with JSON and JSONB columns. In this example, we're working within PostgreSQL. Let's break down what's happening here. First up is the create table statement for a table called documents. Inside this table, we have three fields: an auto-increment ID as our primary key, and two special data types, JSON and JSONB, for storing metadata and data respectively.